Hey everyone, and welcome back to Easy Learn English Podcast. I'm Sarah.
And I'm James. Great to be back. Sarah, quick question. If someone asks you, how are you? What do you say?
I say, I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Exactly. And that is the problem.
Wait, what? What's wrong with that?
Nothing is wrong with it. It's perfectly correct English. But here's the thing. No native speaker says that. Ever. It sounds like a textbook. It sounds like you learned English from a book written in 1987.
Okay, fair point. So what do native speakers actually say?
They say things like, yeah, not bad. Or pretty good, you? Or honestly, a bit tired, but you know how it is. Real, natural, human answers.
And that is exactly what today's episode is about. How to speak English naturally. Not textbook English, real English. The kind of English that native speakers actually use every single day.
Because here's what happens to a lot of English learners. They study for years. Their grammar is perfect. Their vocabulary is impressive. But when they speak, something feels off. It sounds a little formal, a little stiff, and they can't figure out why.
And the reason is usually not grammar. It's the small things, the little phrases, the fillers, the contractions, the rhythm of natural speech. That's what we're covering today.
We'll look at how to use fillers naturally, how to use contractions, how to respond to things in a natural way, how to show interest, and how to tell a story like a native speaker.
This episode could genuinely change the way you speak English. So let's get into it.
But first, Sarah, what's the most textbook English thing you've ever heard someone say in real life?
Okay, so I was at a party once and someone came up to me and said completely seriously, "Good evening. I am pleased to make your acquaintance." Bursts out laughing. No! I swear, I didn't know what to say. I just said, "Oh, hi."
That is the most formal introduction in history. Bless them though, their English was technically perfect.
Technically perfect, completely unnatural. And that's the gap we're closing today.
Okay, so this is one of my favorite parts of today. We call it Don't Say This. I'm going to say a common mistake that English learners make, and Sarah is going to give the natural native speaker version. Ready?
Ready.
Number 1, I am agree with you.
Wrong! Never say I am agree. The correct and natural version is I agree with you. Or even more naturally, yeah, totally or absolutely. Agree is a verb. You don't need am before it.
Number 2, she is very much beautiful.
Nope, you can't put much before an adjective like that. Say, she's really beautiful, or she's absolutely stunning. Much more natural.
Number 3, I have 20 years old.
This is a very common one. In English, we say I am 20 years old, not I have. I am. Age uses the verb to be in English, not to have.
Number 4, can you repeat, please?
Technically understood, but very blunt. Much more natural is, sorry, could you say that again? Or, sorry, I didn't quite catch that. Adding sorry and could makes it polite and natural.
Number 5, I am boring.
Oh, this one is important. I am boring means you are a boring person, not interesting. If you want to say you feel bored, say I'm bored. The difference is huge. I'm boring, I am a dull person. I'm bored, I have nothing to do right now.
That last one gets people every time.
Every single time. Okay, listeners, pause here and repeat the correct versions out loud. Ready? I agree. She's really beautiful. I am 20 years old. Could you say that again? I'm bored. Perfect. Okay, let's start with key vocabulary. First, filler words. Filler words are sounds or words we use when we're thinking or pausing. Things like well, I mean, you know, like. Every native speaker uses them constantly.
Next, contractions. Contractions are when two words are joined together. I am becomes I'm. Do not becomes don't. Would not becomes wouldn't. Native speakers almost never say the full form in conversation.
Next, informal expressions, phrases that are casual and natural. Instead of, I am very tired, I'm absolutely exhausted. Instead of, that is very good, that's brilliant. Very different energy.
And one more, active listening phrases. Short responses you use while someone is talking. Oh, really? No way. That's crazy. I know, right? Seriously? Native speakers use these constantly, and they make conversations feel alive.
Okay, now it's game time. This is called Guess the Meaning. I'm going to say an English idiom, and Sarah is going to try to guess what it means. And listeners, you play along too. Pause the podcast and think about it before Sarah answers. Ready?
Ready. I love this game.
Okay, idiom number 1. It's raining cats and dogs outside.
Okay, thinking. So obviously it's not literally raining animals. I think it means it's raining very heavily?
Correct! Raining cats and dogs means it's raining extremely hard. You'd say, I got completely soaked. It was raining cats and dogs out there.
Okay, next one.
Idiom number 2. I'm gonna hit the sack.
Ooh, hit the sack. Sack could be a bag or a bed?
Is it going to sleep?
Yes! Hit the sack means to go to bed. I'm exhausted. I'm gonna hit the sack. Very casual, very common.
I love that one. Okay, next.
Idiom number 3. She's been under the weather lately.
Under the weather. I think this means she's feeling sick? Not well?
Exactly right. Under the weather means feeling ill or unwell. I can't come to work today. I'm feeling a bit under the weather. Much more natural than just saying I'm sick.
Okay, I'm doing well. Hit me with another one.
Idiom number 4. This one's harder. He really bit off more than he could chew.
Ooh, okay. Biting more than you can chew. Like taking too big a bite of food? So maybe taking on too much? More than you can handle?
Perfect! Bite off more than you can chew means to take on more responsibility or work than you can manage. He volunteered for 5 projects at once. He definitely bit off more than he could chew.
That is such a good one. I'm using that.
Last one. Idiom number 5. Let's just play it by ear.
Play it by ear. Musicians play by ear when they don't use sheet music. So maybe doing something without a plan? Seeing what happens?
Spot on! Play it by ear means to decide what to do as things happen without making plans in advance. I don't know what time I'll finish work. Let's just play it by ear. Super common in everyday conversation. Listeners, how many did you get right? Let us know in the comments.
Okay, now let's hear all of this natural English in real conversations. 4 scenes, each one showing different aspects of natural speech.
Sarah, I just got promoted at work.
No way. That's amazing. Congratulations. You must be so pleased.
I'm absolutely over the moon. I've been waiting for this for 2 years.
I bet. You totally deserve it. We should celebrate. Drinks are on me.
Oh, you don't have to do that.
Are you kidding? Of course I do. This is huge.
Natural responses. No way. Surprise. Over the moon. Extremely happy. I bet. I can imagine. Drinks are on me. I'll pay. Are you kidding? Expressing disbelief. None of these are in a textbook. All completely natural. Sarah, what do you think about learning English? Is it hard?
I mean, it depends, right? Like, for some people, it comes really naturally. But for others, and I'd say I was one of these people, it's more of a process. You know what I mean? Like, I remember when I first started and I was just completely lost. But then at some point, it just kind of clicks. And you think, oh, I actually get this now. So I guess my answer is, yeah, it can be hard, but it's also kind of fun, if that makes sense.
Natural fillers. I mean, like, you know what I mean? I guess, kind of, right? These fill the gaps while your brain thinks. They are not mistakes. They are features of natural speech.
Sarah, tell me something funny that happened recently.
Okay, so this is so embarrassing, right? So I was at the supermarket yesterday, yeah? And I was in a rush, as always, and I just grabbed my stuff and went to the self-checkout. And I'm scanning everything, putting it in the bag, all fine. And then I go to pay and I tap my card and it says declined. And I'm thinking, that's weird. I definitely have money. So I try again. Declined again. And by this point, there's like a queue of people behind me and I'm going bright red. And then, and this is the embarrassing part, I realize I've been tapping my loyalty card, not my bank card, my loyalty card for about 2 minutes.
Oh no, that is brilliant.
The checkout assistant was so kind about it, but I could tell she was trying not to laugh. Perfect storytelling structure. Okay, so casual start. This is so embarrassing, building anticipation. And then repeated moving forward. Going bright red, blushing. Natural storytelling has rhythm. Learn it and use it.
I think social media is really bad for young people. I mean, I kind of see where you're coming from, but I'm not sure I completely agree. Like, it depends how you use it, right? Some people use it to connect with others or learn new things. That's a fair point, actually. But don't you think the pressure, like the constant comparison, is really damaging? Oh, absolutely. Yeah, that side of it is genuinely toxic. I just think it's more complicated than just saying it's all bad, you know? Yeah, no, I think you're right. It's not black and white. Natural disagreement. I kind of see where you're coming from. I partially understand. I'm not sure I completely agree. Soft disagreement. That's a fair point. Acknowledging the other view. It's not black and white. It's complicated. These phrases let you disagree without being rude. Essential for natural English conversation.
Let's review the best phrases from today.
First, I'm bored, not I am boring. Remember, boring describes a person or thing. Bored describes how you feel. Huge difference.
Next, could you say that again? Always add sorry and could. It's polite and natural. Never just repeat, please.
And play it by ear. No fixed plan. Decide as you go. I don't know what time I'll be free. Let's play by ear.
And finally, under the weather. Feeling a bit sick or unwell. I'm feeling under the weather today. I might stay home.
Okay, 5 golden rules for speaking English naturally.
Rule 1. Use contractions. Always. I'm, not I am. Don't, not do not. It's, not it is. In conversation, full forms sound unnatural.
Rule 2, use fillers.
I mean, I guess they give you time to think and make your English sound fluent. Rule 3, react to people. No way. That's crazy. I bet. Oh, really? These small reactions make conversations feel alive and human.
Rule 4, tell stories with structure. Okay, and this is the best part. Build anticipation, keep people listening.
And rule 5, learn idioms. Under the weather. Play it by ear. Raining cats and dogs. Bite off more than you can chew. Use one new idiom every day, and in a month, your English will sound completely different.
And remember, natural English is not perfect English. Native speakers make mistakes, pause, say change their sentences halfway through. Being natural is more important than being perfect.
So today's challenge? Have one conversation in English and use at least 3 things from today. A filler, an active listening phrase, and 1 idiom. Just 3 things. That's it.
Do it and your English will never be the same. Okay, that's everything for episode 5 of Easy Learn English podcast. Subscribe, leave a comment, and tell us which idiom from today was your favorite. We'd love to know. Until next time, keep practicing, keep improving, and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye, everyone. Bye.